I gotta get back. Dead body.
How many times have you used that one before?
Yeah, bro.
Where am I? Listen, I'm really sorry. Last year, but it was supposed to be the best thing ever. I'm grateful for that. Listen, you don't have to do this. We can sing a duet together or something. Duet. I know the Beatles. I know John and Paul and George. And I guess even Ringo. They would have been proud of me. All the work that I put into this. And I'm pretty sure Dr. Gordon was checking me out last year. You know what? She's got a ticket to ride. That's a record too. Okay, that one was weak. I still don't know why you're doing this to me. You attacked those people because you wanted to. I got asked by Glee if they can do a cover of my song. It's like watching someone ski moguls. You just hop from one lie to the next. No shame, no embarrassment. Weird Al is doing a cover of it. You just don't give a shit. That's the key, right? Not to care about anyone or anything. I can't believe there was a time when I actually thought I could learn something from you. I info teach. Do you want my music? I teach to inner city youth. Every Thursdays at the Y. Leave the kids out. Except this. It's inevitable. I will be a deep decide. Mr. Farm D. I accept. Nothing is inevitable. My music is like a drug, and my voice is like a needle. It's funny you should say that. I am off the wagon. You know, it was never my drug. I can make it better. I'm finding it's best to accept things you can't change, you know? I'm going to Mr. Farm D tonight. Did you see me last year? I killed it. I killed it. I'm gonna kill you tonight. Oh. Your mother was there? It's still not over.
Mother Mary comes to me, speaking words of wisdom and me. And in my hour of darkness, she is standing right in front of me, speaking words of wisdom over me, over me, over me. Whisper words of wisdom.